Hey, welcome to LoveLiveSave. In today's deal video, we're going to go over some Dollar General Tide couponing deals. They're going to help you to stock up for super cheap this Saturday, September 23rd. Now, before we get started, don't forget, make sure you subscribe here to my YouTube channel so you don't miss out on any of my future couponing deals. I post 2 Dollar General couponing deal videos every day of the week, usually around 7:30 p.m. and 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, because it means a lot to me that I help you to save as much money as you possibly can. And this month actually marks my 3-year anniversary since I first started LoveLiveSave. Really hard to believe for me. And I have a lot of really fun stuff planned for the rest of the month, and I don't want you to miss out. So if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe. Now, if you enjoyed today's deals, I would really appreciate it if you would take a moment and tap on that thumbs up like button on today's deal video. It makes a huge difference for my channel. It's a great way to support my work here at LoveLiveSave, and it is greatly appreciated. For today's question, I'm going to call this the Battle of the Cleaners. I want you to leave me a comment down below. This is my game called This or That. I want to know, which product do you prefer better? Are you a Mr. Clean Cleaner fan, or are you a Fabuloso Cleaner fan? Let me know what you think down below in the comments. Now, make sure you share this video with all your friends and family members too that want to learn how to coupon, or maybe just want to learn to save a little bit of extra money here and there so I can get these deals out to them and help them too. Sharing the video is also a fabulous way to engage with my content and help support my channel. Oh, and one more thing. If you're interested in my brand new 100-page couponing planner book full of couponing planner pages that are going to make writing out your couponing deals so much easier, I am going to have the information down below in the video description as well as in the comments section. It is finally available over on Amazon, and I am super proud of it. This is a project that I've been wanting to work on since I first designed these couponing planner pages nearly 3 years ago when I first started LoveLiveSave. I always wanted to see it in a book format, and it is finally available. So if you're interested in checking out, make sure you look in the video description as well as in the comment section. And if you've already purchased one, thank you so much for your support. I really appreciate it. And I would love it if you would take a moment and leave a comment down below and let me know what you think of it and how it ended up turning out. I would love your feedback. So let's get started with these deals. Now, first off, I just want to say, if you are a fan of Tide products, this is such a fabulous time for you to stock up. We have some super rare, high-value Tide coupons that are going to help you to build your stockpile for a super low out-of-pocket. And I have been trying to put forth an extra effort over the last couple weeks to make sure I am including some coupon deals for the Tide liquid laundry detergent, because in the past, I don't honestly know why. I always forget about it, and I'm always doing the Tide pods. So for this first deal, we're going to get one of those big containers of Tide detergent. We're going to grab 2 bottles of Vaseline lotion. They are on sale this week for only $3.50 instead of the regular $4. And then grab 1 Febreze plug-in. After all coupons, our total out-of-pocket comes down to just $10.90 plus tax for an easy 58% off savings. Now remember, you're getting a big bottle of Tide. This is a great low out-of-pocket deal. Now, maybe you don't have as much space on your shelf for the big bottles of Tide, or you're like me, you're a big fan of the Tide with Downy, and unfortunately, Dollar General does not sell the big containers of Tide with Downy. I wish they would. So if you want to stock up on the little bottles, this is a easy deal for you to do. Grab 2 bottles of those small Tide detergents. They are $5.50 each. 1 medium gain fireworks and 1 small bottle of Downy Rinse and Refresh. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes down to just $10.95 plus tax for a 57% off savings. Moving on, we have some great laundry pods deals. Several of them, actually. So for this one, grab 1 bag of the Tide's Pods Ocean Mist Scent Light Pods. That is a real tongue twister, by the way. Grab 1 small bottle of Lysol laundry sanitizer. This is one of my favorite go-to laundry products that Dollar General sells. Grab 1 of the $5.75 bottle bags of Purex packs, and then 1 Febreze fabric refresher. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes down to just $13.65 plus tax for a 50% off savings. When I first started couponing and building my stockpile for my family, I used to primarily focus on just the big containers of liquid laundry detergent. And then as time went on, I kind of switched to doing the laundry pods. I kept telling myself I didn't have enough time to always measure out the liquid laundry detergent. And as more time has gone by, I realized that I am actually a fan of making sure that I have both in my stockpile, because there are always going to be times where I would prefer having liquid laundry detergent because, in my opinion, it does clean better. But there are times where I just do not have the time, and there are times where I don't want to have a big container of liquid laundry detergent sitting up on my counter next to my washer. So, if you're like me and you want to stock up on the small bags of Tide Pods, this will be an easy deal for you. Grab 2 small bags of Tide Pods, 2 of my favorite Mr. Clean cleaners, 1 small bottle of Gain fabric softener, and 1 small bag of Gain flings. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes down to just $12.50 plus tax for a 55% off savings. Now, since we have these high-value Tide coupons and we have these super high-value Bounce dryer sheets coupons, I kept thinking, what would happen if I combine them both into one deal? Because they are both great products. And that's what we ended up here. So grab 1 bag of Tide Pods Ocean Mist Scent Light Pods, 1 bag of Tide Power Pods, and 1 240-count box of Bounce dryer sheets. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes down to just $14.35 plus tax for a 52% off savings. Now, if you want to substitute the Bounce dryer sheets, you could totally substitute them for, I believe it's the 130 count box of Bounce pet dryer sheets. They are a little bit different, or, I don't know, but they also have a $4 off Bounce pet dryer sheet coupon. Just make sure you are clipping the correct coupon for the correct product, but they both end up being the same out of pocket. For this next deal, it's a super easy, beginner-friendly couponing deal. I love deals like this because, I'm not a new couponer, but there are times where I don't have enough time to go all around the store and finding a bunch of products. It kind of comes and goes, and this would be a really easy deal that you can do if you are on a time pinch. So grab 1 bag of Tide Power Pods, 1 bottle of the Febreze Unstoppable Spray, and 1 5-count pack of the Eric plug-in refills. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes down to just $9.45 plus tax for a 65% off savings. Now, with Halloween right around the corner, I don't believe I've ever really mentioned this in all of my deal videos I've ever done here on my YouTube channel, and I honestly do not know why. But if you have little ones, I highly encourage you, if you're a fan of Tide Pods, do a couple deals this month to get these containers of Tide Pods, and when you use them up, peel off the label. Do not use hot water. It's going to warp the plastic, but get the front label off and use contact paper and turn it into a little jack-o'-lantern, and you could put one of those battery-operated lights inside. I did this a couple years ago for my son, and it turned so cute. I put it on my front porch, and I love it, and you can use it every year. It's a really great way to reuse your containers that your products that you coupon come in. So we're going to get one of those. Grab 1 tub of Tide Pods, 1 of the 240 count boxes of Bounce dryer sheets, and 1 of the Eric oil warmers. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes down to just $13.90 plus tax for a 54% off savings. Now, on top of doing the jack-o'-lanterns, my birthday is St. Patrick's Day, and I actually collect the Gain Flings tubs to turn them into little shamrock jack-o'-lanterns. Now, you could also, I've seen people on Pinterest, they convert them into like little Frankensteins, and they turn so cute. So it's a really great way to reuse your products. Moving on. I love this next deal. It's a great one to stock up on not only the Tide Pods, but the Mr. Clean Magic Erasers, because again, we have that super high value $4 off to Mr. Clean coupon, and it does attach the 3-count boxes of Mr. Clean Magic Eraser. So grab 1 bag of Tide Power Pods, 1 of the smaller bags of Tide Pods, 2 boxes of the 3-count Mr. Clean Magic Erasers, and 1 bottle of Finish Jet Dry Cleaner. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes down to just $10.40 plus tax for a 61% off savings. Now, if you don't have the $2 off Finish coupon, there's also a $1.50 off coupon you could totally use. You're just going to pay obviously 50 cents more out of pocket, but it's still a great deal. I've had a couple people say they unfortunately didn't get the $2 off Finish coupon, so no worries, you can totally substitute it. Now, one of my personal goals for my family stockpile, and it's something that I've never actually couponed before and focus on adding it into my stockpile, is I really want to stock up on the Tide powder detergent. Not so much for doing my laundry, but not doing regular loads of laundry. I want it for soaking laundry in my bathtub. If you have a lot of laundry that you are trying to soak the stains out, I love filling up my bathtub with warm water, putting some Tide powder detergent in, and let it soak for a little bit. Don't put too hot water or you're going to leach out the dyes in your laundry. You definitely don't want that. So do like warm water, but it's an awesome way to pre-treat your laundry stains. I especially do this on a lot of my husband's clothes because he works out in the car garage. And anyone that knows, like those clothes get so nasty. And this is an easy way to get them clean. But we don't have a coupon for the Tide powder detergent. But like I always tell you, that's totally okay. We're still going to score a great deal on it. So grab 1 box of the Tide powder detergent, 1 Febreze fabric refresher, 2 of the Dawn Power Wash refills, and 1 Febreze plug-in. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes down to just $14.16 plus tax for 49% off savings, which isn't bad when you consider we didn't even have a coupon for the Tide powder detergent, and it represents $11.50 of this transaction. This is a fabulous deal to stock up on the Tide powder detergent. Here's another great deal to stock up on those tubs of Tide Pods. So grab 1 tub of Tide Pods for $15.95, 1 small bottle of Downy Rinse and Refresh, and 1 small bottle of Gain Fabric Softener. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes down to just $13.90 plus tax for 49% off savings. Now, in case you're looking for even more Dollar General couponing deals to choose from, you're going to want to check out the comments down below or the video description. I'll have the information in both places for you for a 1-week free trial for my Patreon page. Now, in case you didn't know, my Patreon page is where I post my complete Dollar General couponing deals list from week to week because I often write so many more couponing deals than I have time to format into YouTube deal videos as much as I really wish I could. Like on average, this deals list will have anywhere from 100 to 140 couponing deals. And I am super proud to tell you that not only did I break my personal record for the most amount of couponing deals that I've ever written for one individual week, I smashed that goal for you guys this week because, like I said, helping you to save as much money as I possibly can means a lot to me. And this week's deals list has 170 couponing deals. Yeah, you heard that right, 170. I'm super proud of this week's deals list. I had so much fun with it. Now, this is an easy to download PDF file, meaning you either download it to your smartphone, you can download it to a tablet, or you can print off whatever section you want because I keep all the categories of deals separated. And these all include major categories of things that you want to save on for your family. We're talking Gain deals because, of course, it's Dollar General. We love our Gain deals, right? We have toilet paper, paper towels, cleaning supplies, laundry supplies, personal care. We even have diaper deals, Tide deals, and a cheap out-of-pockets deals list. And for the first time ever, I even included a disinfectants couponing deals list because, you know, cold and flu season is coming and we got to be prepared. We don't want to get stuck having to pay full price for it, right? Because we don't pay full price here at LoveLiveSave. So if you're interested, make sure you check it out. Again, I'll have it down below in the comments and the video description for you. Thank you so much for taking time out of your busy day to watch today's deal video. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, hit the thumbs up like button on today's deal video. I really appreciate it. It's a great way to support my work. If you haven't already subscribed here to my YouTube channel, hit that subscribe button, show my channel a little bit of love, and join our LoveLiveSave couponing community. We would love to have you here. And a super important step, make sure you also click on that little notification bell right next to the subscribe button and turn on all notifications. That way, whenever I post my future couponing deal videos, and like I said, I post 2 of them every day of the week, or when I do one of my fun Couponing After Dark live chats that I will be returning to doing this week, I cannot wait. I really have missed doing them. You're going to receive a notification. You're going to be one of the first people to know when I post or when I go live, and you're not going to miss out. And I will see you in the next video.